Welcome back, guys, to 519. So today we got another car from Banggood. It's the Wltoys 124019. So if you guys want it, I'll have a link down below where you guys can get it. So this is a pretty sick looking buggy. You should get your car, your battery, manual, some tools, charger, and your remote. So this battery is a 7.4 2200 milliamp. The other buggy I have, and they look about the same. So I believe this is just a longer version of that. So I'm actually curious how well this is going to be on the track compared to this one. Today the track is closed, so we're just going to be bashing around here. There's some dirt piles over there. So from what I could see, the inside looked very similar. I believe the motors are the same. Shocks are oil filled. Overall, it just seems like Wltoys cars just get better and better. Okay, here we go, first run. I think I need to fix my steering trim. Honestly, man, I'm kind of excited to see it on the track. So this thing's supposed to go about 33, 35 miles per hour, which is fast. That thing is quick. Dude, man, that was clean. Ooh. So far, I really like this buggy. I like the fact that it's a little bit longer. I do feel like it's a little bit easier to control. We got a little bit bigger jumps here, so we're gonna take it off some bigger jumps. But yeah, once the track opens, I want to run this on the track. A little short. Okay, gotta say, this thing actually jumps pretty good. It's actually pretty easy to control in the air, and it's pretty smooth. I'm really digging this thing. Perfect. Okay, now I want to see if I could clear this big jump. I don't know if you guys can see, but that gap, it's pretty big. It's kind of hard to tell the size. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I can't do that. I only could drive RC cars. Perfect. Okay, honestly guys, I think this is my new favorite budget buggy. This thing is actually pretty cool. It actually could take pretty big jumps like that one right there. Been hitting it all day, and so far, man, I really love this thing. This thing is really cool. Okay. All right, let's read you guys' comments. Airborne RC, OMFG, I was not expecting that. That was an awesome video. That thing has so much power. The first time I tried to do a backflip, I threw it up and I tried to catch it. And man, it just smacked me right in the hand right here. And I got all bruised up. Man, it was pretty bad. I'm not doing that again. Okay, Jimmy Regner. Sorry if I pronounced you guys' name wrong. Thanks for putting in the work, brother. Love the content. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. The Hagaya Redneck. Always wanted to have a high-end RC like one of these for off-roading, but always so expensive, but maybe in the future. I think one of the best trucks you could get that's kind of still expensive is like 200 bucks, but it's pretty close to being high-end. It is brushed though, but it's the Arma Sentin Mega version. I think that truck is probably, you know, one of the coolest trucks you could get for a beginner. I see a lot of those trucks on the track. Memphis Tremblay, you should do the Shugu and drywall tape modification for the next body. If you've done it, comment down below if it works or not. And also I see people do the flex tape. I'm also curious if that works or not. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.